Hey cooks, the nice people at Cosori sent over this food dehydrator for us to try out. I've been wanting to dehydrate because I want to make my own herb blends. You can dehydrate basil, parsley, thyme. You can dehydrate lemons, limes, all that fun stuff. And you know exactly what's in your spice blends because you dehydrated out of fresh ingredients. But you can do all kinds of stuff. You can even dehydrate flowers if you want to make a little sachet or potpourri. So join me as we unbox this Cosori Food Dehydrator. So I just want to thank Cosori for sending this food dehydrator. If you want to take a look at it, I'll put a link down in the description. It looks like a really neat appliance. So let's take a look at this. So you can preserve foods and retain their nutrition in fruit, meat, snacks, vegetables, bread, and flours. You can dehydrate for up to 48 hours. It has an automatic fan that circulates warm air to dry out the foods evenly. There's 5 stacking trays and there's 2 accessories. So one to do fruit roll-ups and a mesh screen. This looks pretty cool. So let's get this open. I'm very anxious to try this out. One of my favorite spice blends has dried shallots in it, and I use that all the time, but it's really expensive, and I want to try to dry out some shallots myself. Sweet, huh? So let's see what we got here. Really good. Okay, sweet. So here's our lid, and here's some of the trays. These are really nice. Comes with a really nice recipe book. One of the things I can say about Cosori, they always give you really nice materials to go along with your appliances. We've used a lot of their appliances. I absolutely love their pressure cookers. So you can make beef jerky, candied sweet and spicy bacon, sriracha jerky, tons of different kinds of jerkies. See what else we got. Oh my gosh. Fruits, honey bourbon peaches, fruit lovers, apple chips, snacks, corn chips, crackers, carrot chips, and sweets. You can actually make cookies in this. Wow. That's funny, and a lot of different Cosori products. Thank you for choosing Cosori. This is all the warranty information and the owner's manual. We're going to have to go through this because I've never done dehydrating before. So it comes with a mesh screen if you have small things like herbs and stuff. So here's more trays. Here's a tray to do fruit leathers on. So you pour your puree on here and then you let it dry. This is really cool, guys. And then here's your motor base. Sweet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays. Awesome. Wow, I mean, this is a really nice appliance. So it looks really easy. You got a temp button and a time button. So you hit the temp, whatever temp you want it at whatever amount of time, and you hit start, and you're dehydrating. Sweet. So cooks, I'm really looking forward to trying this dehydrator out. I've wanted to try this for a long time, and I just want to thank Cosori for sending this because we're going to have a little bit of fun. The very first thing, we're going to try to dry out some parsley, maybe some basil, and some thyme, and we will do our first dehydrating in this Cosori Food Dehydrator. Again, thank you, Cosori, for sending this. Links will be in the description to this food dehydrator. I'm going to tell you, I already think this is pretty cool. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, my group is Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Sweet.